Say hello to the newest member of your SWAT team, the Lemur drone. There's no need to rush. The Lemur's highly novel lithium-ion battery enables a flight time of over 30 minutes. It starts a typical mission by assessing the outside of its target structure. Its compact size and precise maneuverability allow it to search an entire house in just minutes. After clearing the outside of the structure, it's ready to search the interior. The drone's airframe also tolerates shocks. When it lands on its back, the Lemur self-rights by using its motors in reverse. Crashes won't end its missions. Stairs won't slow it down. The Lemur can go exactly where you need it to. Most interior doors are just a minor inconvenience. Once the drone finds a suspect, its two-way audio capabilities enable negotiation. The camera excels in every lighting condition, including truly zero light. Developed in close partnership with Las Vegas Metro SWAT, the Lemur really works.